Hi, Katja. Thank you very much for your email about this question. They get really confusing, particularly when you get ridiculous answers in this form. However, it looks as if your integration, your differentiation, your implicit differentiation is correct. And I would, at this point, substitute these values in. The reason I do that is that you're doing a fair bit of work rearranging for dy dx, and sometimes the substitutions may not work. The second thing is things like the square root of pi over pi is equal to 1 on root pi. And things like root 6 on root 2 is the same as root 3. Oh, I can't write in this area. So your implicit differentiation looks correct, but I found a couple of errors. So I might jump over into Word. And what I've done is your yellow is this here. Sorry. So we look at this numerator. That part of the numerator is this, which is this, which is this. Now, if I come over to here, I would have instead at this line gone root 3, root pi, root 6 is root 2 times root 3, they cancel. But somehow you've mucked that up and that you've ended up with this instead of this. And if I look at the green one, so this has become this. Now straight away here, I would be doing I've got a root pi on top of a pi, so that gives me a root pi on the bottom. The 2 cancels, sorry, the green. I've got a 3 root 2. The 3, the root 2 will cancel with the root 6 to leave a root 3. And 3 over root 3 is the same as root 3 on root pi. So there's some simplification things that have gone a little bit awry. If we look at this one equals this one equals this one equals this one, but down here, I just simplified that to root 6 on root pi. So lots of work, lots of steps. I'll show you what I did. So I've taken this line and I've substituted for there. So if we go over the page, so the hint is substitute as quick as you can and use these forms of rearrangings. So I've left my y dash there. I've got this. Directly below, I've got the workings out. Notice how yours is really hard to follow because it was every second line and you had numerators and denominators in your substituting. I'm substituting up here where I can see that this is equal to this, which is equal to this. And I can follow the train of this and this and this is directly below each other, which gives me this. And it ends up coming out to a nice answer in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. 7 lines is my final answer. So I'm not suggesting that yours is wrong. The only errors that you've made are some simplification errors of your roots. And for far too many, you were carrying this when that could have been rewritten as 1 on root pi. And things like root 6 on root 3, that equals root 2. And if you've got 2 on root 2, that's the same as root 2. And root 2 on 2 is the same as 1 on root 2. See if you can have a go where you take it from this line and you move down the page where the bit of that calculation sits directly below and below and below. And I will email these 2 pages to you as well. Well done.